Hey, welcome friends. In today's session, the topic is how to build a e-commerce store or e-commerce business. You know, e-commerce is one of the world's fastest growing sector, and people are day by day adding into the e-commerce, leaving the physical transactions, going towards more e-commerce. Now, e-commerce is booming, and in coming future, industry stands are there. This is growing year on year. One of the highest growth sector is e-commerce. So now it's right time to join the e-commerce. If you are thinking about entrepreneurship, to scale up your business and to want to start something new, the good time. Join e-commerce. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to all of you in session again. And now, with your permission, I will start my session. I noted down all the important things. And next step is that take action. Okay. Now, with your permission, I'm sharing the screen with you. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. We'll go by one. The systematic presentation, with the help of presentation, I will try to cover up systematically one by one. By the end of the session, we will discuss question and answer. And after that, you realize if you have missed something or want something more from us, you will write to me. I will be available at digitalswadesh.com. Most welcome to the session. Yeah, how to build an e-commerce business. Doubt or any clarity by the end of the session. So that interruption of the all candidates should be stopped and people are coming to the common platform. Okay, I welcome you all on the board of e-commerce session. Please stay tuned. I will start my session with the notes of Margaret Thatcher. She was titled as Iron Lady. She was a trendsetter for the England, UK. Okay. UK was one of the most strong democratic, but at the time, how she covered up. You may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. That was the quote from Margaret Thatcher, Iron Lady of what? What is e-commerce business? The question arises, what is e-commerce? You may ask, why I will do that? I am going to answer you, yes. E-commerce. E-commerce business is any sort of business, any sort of transaction which is happening with the help of internet. If you are happening conducting any transaction, any business with the help of internet digitally, that's the e-commerce. E-commerce. Now you think, uh, what percentage of your business you are doing through internet today? For example, we are studying with the help of internet. We are reading newspaper. We are visiting our bank through internet. We are communicating with our friends, relatives. These type of things happening through internet. So the e-commerce is booming day by day. Okay, buy and sell through internet, through phone, through mail, through location specific. That of things is internet e-commerce. Amazon, Baidu, Flipkart. These are the big name of internet e-commerce. Nearby provision store. If the provision store is displaying goods on the online, collecting order, any one of activity if they are doing, they are switching toward the e-commerce. Okay. Displaying goods online, collecting order online, receiving payments online, delivering goods at the doorstep. If collect order and deliver goods at the home, that's the 50% of e-commerce. If they are receiving payment not physically but digitally, it's also a part of e-commerce. Freelancers, you are sitting in an office in your home comfort and doing some business, shouting work from various websites like freelancer.com, work up with this, and then supplying goods to them and then receiving payment. That's also e-commerce. Many gig economy professionals are developing, running their home businesses from the comfort of their home. That's all the overall e-commerce part of e-commerce opportunities. Use market. I'm saying you from in the morning, you think it start. Just imagine from morning how many times you have consumed your internet and what transaction you have made. If you have not made any transaction, but you have seen any ad, you have seen it advertisement, you have read newspaper, most of the news. That's also a part of e-commerce. But somehow the transactions happen and somebody get paid and somebody has supplied some benefits. It's the e-commerce. Every second person in India has a mobile with internet connection. That's the assumption. Data is saying something different. Two-thirds of the population of India are the phone numbers. Some may have double, so there is the assumption that every second person of Earth, not only Earth, sorry, Earth in India, have a mobile with the internet connections. So they have a competency to do any e-commerce transaction. That's the huge market. Challenges. Don't get afraid by the challenges. I always say that challenges helps to grow. People are overcoming the challenges and then the growth happens. Big players are there. That's the biggest challenge. The Amazon is there. How I can sell with them? But you find a number of players, they are thriving, not surviving. They are thriving in spite of Amazon. I used to buy certain goods from my favorite shops, not from the Amazon. That's why I am too late. In 2020, the e-commerce started in around 210. I'm late. But whenever I have opened, we start to walk from there. There is no end. I do not have a skill. Definitely. Skills can be acquired. Skills are not comes from any other than Earth planets. These are all available in the world. You acquire skills. Later, I will tell you there is not rocket science skills required. The skills required for the e-commerce. The simple and today's world, plug and play. All the things are available. Nobody supports me. Definitely, but you are there to get your support. Internet is there, and this world always welcome to the persons who fight their own. So you have to start e-commerce business and become a part of e-commerce. Technology is changing very fast. Absolutely, that's why the advancement is there. Spiraling effect, and always go for advanced, latest technology. Then the development happen, growth will happen. Unable to get customers, definitely. But when you how the customers come? Customers always go to the market leader. Best possible solution, value for money, best treatment. All segments are there. Identify one niche and become a leader there. You have full chance of getting customers. And customers always welcome the quality, any of the quality. No money, less money. Yeah, everybody have a less money. That doesn't mean we should not stop. How we can? We have to earn. If we have a money, then we are not going to do the e-commerce. For earning money, we are doing e-commerce is not a billion trillion dollar investment. There is a separate model I will discuss later with the zero investment model, a very low investment model. So based on your pocket and based on your skills, you start from there. My story. You will ask why I am saying that. Now I will. Most of the audience know me, but for the sake of my new audience and the retreat something, why I have a right to speak like that way. So I'm just introducing myself. I started entrepreneurship in a very early age, all I think in 2020 plus, and realized a lot of knowledge and skills needed for entrepreneurship. Late at that time, these are not available. So I went for legal degree, law. And then I realized this, to start a business, I needed business management. So I did again the business management. And then somebody told me you will get a lot of experience. Otherwise, how the corporates and how the big your business will become big, you doesn't know. So for that sake, I did corporate job for more than 60 years because stopping my business and then entering into the education, I have taken some loans, so I have to repay that loan and then learn the experiences. So I did corporate job more than 16 years. And later I became a part of starting e-commerce startups, social ventures, small businesses, and corporate expenses. How the corporate I have written a book on corporate expansions. I have written a book on startups profitability. So that's why I start now thinking during pandemic. Do not no, none of us want to remember that scenario. But when the country all lockdown, laborers, migrants are traveling here and there. People are struggling for two times food and all. The small children are not able to study due to the school's lockdown. Then I realize is that helping others from my skill will be the great way to help society. Everybody means not everybody, but I have a limited money, but skill unlimited. That's though I started teaching like these sessions and all is the part of my social service that I will start selling that. I know about business, I know about entrepreneurship, I am sharing free for that. None of the profitable, but I am sharing this all voluntary to help the society. Yeah? Now I am on a mission to help entrepreneurs. My talk, I will help at least 10,000 entrepreneurs to become self-sustaining. That's my mission. Now coming to again topic again how to start an e-commerce business. An e-commerce, just for example, a person sitting and developing websites. He get clients from the websites. There are certain websites which provide works. So this way, and he fulfill the task and then supply to them. That's the e-commerce. So now, how to start? The very simple. We need to research and find out what is our niche. Niche is a specialization, my interest, where I can pass hours and hours. I have a skill to add value, something so customer can pay. That's we have to find it out ours. So when somebody have a fashion technologies, somebody have a cooking interest, somebody have a talking storytelling, they can start. Somebody have a yoga skills. So that way you identified your skill and then start. Select your business name and choose a legal structure. Want to be as a proprietorship, want to be a partnership, want to be a company, LLP, that type of structure you form. As per now, I'm just discussing about India, the Indian companies law. You can start that, go to collect Udyog Aadhaar, GST number, and then start your business. Apply for GST PAN. These are all online available facilities, very small cost. You have to pay for fee. These are the almost all are free. Obtain a business permit and license if needed. If you are something with health, it is some health authorities license, so that you will study by the internet and then find it out. If you are a niche, you will find it out. Source or develop a list of products or service what you are going to offer. For example, I feel that I can share my entrepreneurship experience, my knowledge to all. I develop that, I will develop some course, I will develop some presentations, I will write a book. That way, that's my niche. So I started like that. Market your e-commerce business. Now I started on e-commerce platform and then start marketing. Business plan. That's a very important. Make your plan. What you plan. What's your plan? Everybody will ask, what's your plan? How you are going to proceed? So to develop a plan. I'm just mentioning this is 7 or 8 points where you can build your business plan. What's the mission or vision? Just my mission and vision. I'm just giving my example, not for the follow, but I'm just giving so that a better understanding and better conviction I can speak and you can understand that. And by the end of the, we will ask the questions. Mission and vision. My mission is to help 10,000 entrepreneurs by 2020. Problem and solution. What's the problem? Problem is that, as per my understanding, entrepreneurs are struggling to enter into the entrepreneurship space. So my solution is to provide assistance to entrepreneurs. For example, people are struggling to find a good food. My solution is provide good food, nutritious food to their doorstep for one restaurant, market and companies. There are a number of people who are providing this type of service. Is there? When I started, I think that What are the agencies who are supporting entrepreneurs? Yeah. Does entrepreneur require any support? Is there any market? Yes. I find it out entrepreneurs are looking for solutions and there are a number of companies, consultants who provide the support. Competition is that. Sales strategy. How you are going to sell? That will be the strategy. By marketing, by offering sales. The buy sales strategy is that I am offering free webinar, free training. Next week, from next week onwards, I am starting free trainings online. Then so that's my marketing or sales strategy. Operation and milestone. Getting first customer, getting 100 customer, getting 1000 club, getting 10,000 club, getting becoming unicorn. That's are the milestone. Financials, how you are going to run, how you will pay your staff, how you will profit, and how will you get return from your money. The financials, profit and loss, that's we will discuss later. Let's come on the financials team. How you are going to manage the show? Is there any marketing manager? Is there any technical chief technological officer, technological team? Is broadcasting manager, content manager? These type of things we need. Assumptions and risk. In my business, I realize is that there is assumption that people do not go for entrepreneurship. That's a risk. I will not get any customers. That's other risk. So how we are going to overcome that? To my overcome that, I will not charge any fees. I will not charge with them. I will not. At least they become profitable. That's my assumption. And risk mitigation plan. This is the whole cycle. 8 steps you will prepare for and for 8 steps total you will prepare your business plan. How much does it cost to e-commerce business? That's the basic question. How much it cost? I will share you the cost center. Business licenses and permits. E-commerce software, Shopify, etc. Domain name and hosting. Payment processing, Paytm, Razor Pay. There are a number of. Later I will recalling. Then I will again discuss you inventory and shipping. Cost to cost basis. Marketing and advertising. I advise you 8 to 10% of gross revenue you should spend not more than that in your marketing and advertising. These are the costs. Business licenses and permits almost all are free. For sake of convenience, you can say that 1,000 rupees. E-commerce software. If you are going to any e-commerce or just like you list your product Amazon, that's absolutely free. Shopify, absolutely free. They charge on transaction. When you happily sell something, they will charge certain fee 4%, 5%, 2%. That's there. Domain name and hosting. Domain name is damn cheap in today's world. Hosting is almost cheap. Less than 2000 rupees, you will develop your own website with the WordPress. And WordPress is the very one of the best solution. There you will got every plugins. By your you visit my website digitalswadesh.com. I have designed by my own. I am not a technological guy, but I studied WordPress and then designed my website. That's I'm telling you, if I can do, you can do. Definitely, I know you are smarter than me. Payment processing, Paytm, and these have they all have a plugins you can plug in inventory and shipping. Okay, purchase one piece of these and uh, tied up with the courier company. When you get order, send it that. That way, you have a minimum inventory cost and then cost to cost basis. After selling, you have to pay to the courier. That's model. Okay. Marketing and advertising. When you sell 8 to 10% of gross revenue, you can market. Pricing. Cost of the product. What is your labor cost? You purchase somewhere and then keep it at your warehouse. Add all the things, overheads. Your certain part of whatever your team, that's sales discount. If you're offering something that's 100 rupees, this is 100 rupees cost router and I am discounting it 20%. We have to invest in our costing. So it's going to be sell on 80. rupees to, I have to add 20 rupees in my costing. Marketing, advertising. I told you 8 to 10%. Note it down. Cost of raw material, the purchasing the good. Let's suppose this I have bought in 60 rupees. So 60 rupees cost of raw material. Packaging cost to packaging with packaging good and then transporting it's costing me at least 5 rupees. So I have to add in my cost. Shipping cost, transport from here to sending from Vadodara to sending it to the Delhi. It's costing me 500 rupees. From Mumbai to Delhi, costing me 300 rupees. That's the shipping cost. Miscellaneous cost like your internet cost, electricity cost, servants cost, driving cost, office maintenance. These you have to add this. That way you have to design your pricing. Now coming to the point, I have no money. That's the solution. That's the zero investment model. There are two type of business: product selling and service selling. If you want to sell product, then start own product or someone else product. If I want to sell mobile cover, for example, okay, so there is a two options. Either I will sell my own product or buy from somewhere else and start selling. So become manufacturer or become trader. If you own product, develop product, start selling through free platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, blog, etc. Instagram, LinkedIn. You can start selling your own product. Then, if someone else product, write good content, good reviews about that. This I use that. This mobile cover is very beautiful, very sturdy. That's the thing you can get from there. There is your another website from there. You can link it and then start selling. For service, build your own potential brand. Service people go to the service for the established brand name. So build establish your brand name. Take some time, around 3 to 5 months. Okay, then start selling them. Initial traction, get confidence. Start some initial tractions by free webinars, by free services, offering free good testimonial, collecting, and that's why you initial traction and then do marketing. Based on testing, develop a proper packaging of your products. Funnel I will discuss you later. This product packaging. Search for investors. Freely you can search investors are available. They are watching for their good investments, vehicles. Okay. They are also looking for their good customers. So they are watching you. If you are performing good. If you write something in the LinkedIn or all, you come into the radar and then they start watching of things. Strategic partners. It's very important. Build a strategic partner through LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. These are all freely available. You have to write it there. That's the zero investment model. Tips. Now coming to the point. Start simple. First get customers, then decide selling. Share our business across multiple channels. Not on a single channel, multiple channel you have to share. Today the word is omni-channel market. Invest in multi-channel selling. Not in particular channel, you have to sell in multiple channels. It's like not only the Amazon, you have to sell Flipkart, your own website, the 3 channels are there, any other if available options, there are similar websites where they offer you selling platforms, you offer their selling platform to you. That way you have to sell on multiple channels, not on this. Never keep your all eggs in a single basket in the business, telling you. Okay? Follow multiple channel study. Build a trust on e-commerce business or internet business. You are not physically available, so you have to develop the trust building mechanism. How? By regular posting in social media, by interacting with your followers, by offering something new so the traction may happen. Websites, your continuous update, that type of things are happening to build the trust among the audience, and then later audience will become your customer. That's the if something happened, the crisis. To manage a crisis is a big skill and that's very necessary for any entrepreneur. So I'm suggesting you build your strategic financial plan. Most of the businesses I have seen then the lack of finance or over finance they got failed. So you have to build your financial plan with optimum finance. Take charge of your cash flow. Sometimes this happens that cash flow got failed. You need to take charge of your cash flow. Secure financing now. Before starting, you secure your financing. We needed 1 lakh rupees. So, and what for the stage? So now my money source is secured. Focus on your company strength. What's your company's strength? If you are offering handmade towels, that's your strength. What is your strength? Handmade. Either a handmade is your strength or a towel is strength. So focus on that. Don't divert that strength. Make your customers a priority. Priority should be a customer. Okay. If the customers are there, business will thrive. Cut down cost. Always try to cut down the cost. That will be your key performance area, cutting down the cost. And that cost cutting benefit you can offer to your customer. That's the crux of your business. Advanced technology. Technology should be more advanced. Always try to use latest technology to become a technology leader. Then the customers are going to follow you. Data analytics. That's very important. Need to analyze data, then based on that build your strategy. Up your marketing game. Marketing is consider marketing as a game and try to be a winner in that. Build a team with common vision. My vision is to become an industry leader. That type of common vision. Try to transfer all of your employees. Learn basic application of technology. If you are going to in e-commerce is a technology based business, you need to learn some basics of the technology like internet operation, checking mail, financial transaction, e-banking, that type of things you need. Build partnership. Partnerships will help you to win the battles. Customer acquisition. Listen, that the funnel is the very important part of e-commerce. Even acquire the audience. Saying you acquire acquisition. Somebody is visiting your showroom. That's our showroom. Just in physical window shopping. That's where the website viewers are our window shoppers. Acquire them, activate them. Put some such type of things. They will click and enter your showroom. Retain them. After some time, you try to retain them, offering something, the product review type of thing, some testimonial of customers, the best advices for buying that. These type of things you have to put on that. Referrals. There's some testimonials or referrals. Then they will refer you some customer. That way the attraction, revenue. Now the stage of revenue comes. They will come, they will refer sometime, the profit will come. Then that funnel you need to follow. Simply, now I will summarize with you. Identify your niche, find out product or service, buy a domain, build a website. I suggest you WordPress website. Their plugins are available just like Paytm plugins, plugins you acquire so that you can collect the money. Display your product, start selling through social media. There are the certain free marketing social media channels. And when you earn something, 8 to 10% of you earning, invest on the marketing business. Yes, thank you. From my side, now I will consider the question. Yes, Aarti is asking. Okay, yeah. Yes, she is saying that she is very good on the yoga. Yeah, absolutely. That's a good thing. Yoga now, you think in the time of pandemic, people start attracting towards you. There are a number of persons who are running yoga courses on internet. You will easily find on Facebook, Instagram. These are the lifestyles. So there you can start your own course. Fee based. Initially, you can start by free and then fee based. That type of course. Yeah, dress designing. Yeah, dress designing is very thing. There's also one laughing stuff in Instagram. You will get n number of Instagram is absolutely free. There's an option that you can paid advertising there, but initially you start build some dress, good dress, pick them, and put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook, and then start selling. When you think the starts order coming, you will start some paid ads. That's the simple. And then you become a part of Instagram. Then later you start your own boutique store on Shopify or your own website or your Insta store. So I start selling. Yeah, website is all WhatsApp is also in the business. Yeah, online education. Yeah, Baizu is the latest result, become one of the leading unicorn. So education is a bumper rate. Go from today only. India is underserved in any of the sectors. Every the welcome, and our Indian customers are very reliable, very experimenting. Try, but always respect the customer and offer value for money. Be there to help them. That's the three I always suggest: value for money, respect the customers, be there to help them. They will always promote you. For any other queries, you can write to me info@digitalswadesh.com. My website is digitalswadesh.com. For free training, I am conducting to build the e-commerce venture, the free training next week. So you can register. Then I will put this on comment section also. Now, now I think you must charge yourself, become a $1 trillion economy, go to the e-commerce, start e-commerce, try to think, build a business plan, and start. For anything assistance, you can write to me. Thank you for joining me. Next Saturday, again, I am going in more on technical part. I will send a mail to you. You will do link with you. Join it. Yeah, keep watching. Happy Sunday.